In this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a quiz for your specific lessons. Now, the first thing is make sure that you have the right course selected. And then next, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the lesson that you want your quiz to appear on. So this means that you could have a quiz on each and every lesson. So I'll go ahead and choose my top lesson right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to create a list of questions. So the first thing is you're going to go ahead and choose a question. So we can say, which fruit do you like the best? And if we want, we can go ahead and put in a description. Choose one of the answers below. And then we can go ahead and put in our choice. So we can say apple, pear, or plum. And we don't need this last one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the answer. So in this case, it's going to be an apple. And then we can come over here and we can assign points. And we'll click save. And so what happens is that question, as well as all the options, are now created inside of our question bank. So now we can go ahead and do this again. And so as you can see, I've got my question. What is your favorite animal? Dog, cat, horse. I've chosen the answer. I've assigned points, and we're going to go ahead and save it. Now, you want to do this as many times as you can. And the reason why is because if they fail the quiz, depending on the settings that we set up, it will go through and it will choose another set of questions and it will do it in a random order. So if you set this up properly, they could always get a different set of questions when they retake your quiz. Now, once you have created your question bank, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here and click on settings. And it's here where you're able to create some settings for your quizzes. So the first thing is you definitely want to enable it. You can come over here and put the number of times they can retest. So I'll set this for 2. You can have the pass percentage here. So if you want them to be 35% pass, you could do that. Then you can say, okay, so I have 16 questions inside my question bank. I want to have 4 questions for each quiz. And then you can go ahead and put in the message after they have passed. And you can put in the message for when they have not passed and they need to retake it. Once you do that, go ahead and click save. And then the final tab is going to show you the participants that have taken your quiz. And you will see the numbers that have passed versus the numbers that have failed. So that's how easily you're going to set up a quiz inside of our platform.